Yo, what it do, baby? I finally got rid of this shit, and I got a better one. So, yeah. Is it much wider now for the blog?
Ain't nobody still in that red shit, bro.
What's up, you guys? We're at a Type R meet, my very first Type R meet. We have,
White. This blue. Rally red. I always want the rally red. This is my car. This
Alright, chat. We're gonna get fireworks for Julie's car.
I'm Julie. Hello po.
Julie. Hello, Paul. What the fuck?
No. Oh my god.
We're gonna put the fireworks in the engine bay. Engine bay, and then light it up.
Alright, gang. What are we buying?
Come on, bro. Whose bag is that?
Like in the middle right here? You're gonna be in the middle because it's red, white, and blue. Where the fuck is the view? You just want Instagram photos.
I know.
Why do you think I
I told you, motherfuckers, it's gonna get bigger too.
I hope it pops off that landmark sign.
My landmark badge is burned off.
Well, chat. Fireworks, 4th of July. Type R meet. That was fun. I'm gonna go home soon.